Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Stay Tuned. My name is Shubhrans and I'm back again with another video. Here we are going to get a course certificate powered by IBM Developer Skills Network in Introduction to Container Kubernetes and OpenShift on the platform of Cognitive Class. So share, subscribe and like it and stay connected because you will get answers of all modules and final quiz. ये कोर्स आपको 3 प्लेटफॉर्म्स पर फ्री में मिलता है EDX, Coursera एंड Cognitive Class। लेकिन EDX और Coursera पर आपको सर्टिफिकेट के लिए पैसे पे करने पड़ते हैं, जबकि Cognitive Class पर ये कम्प्लीटली फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट है। आपको सर्टिफिकेट के लिए कोई पैसे पे नहीं करने पड़ते। वी आर हियर ऑन द होम पेज ऑफ Cognitive Class and we need to either sign up or log in. So I'm going to log in because I have account on Cognitive Class. If you don't have account on Cognitive Class, go for sign up. After login, click on courses and find the course. So here a number of courses are available. We need to find the course Introduction to Container Kubernetes and OpenShift. So we are going to find it. Here are a number of courses available और ये इंट्रोडक्शन टू कंटेनर क्यूबरनेट्स एंड ओपनशिफ्ट कोर्स हमको मिल गया। और इसके बाद आपको कोर्स के बारे में उसकी डिटेल्स यहाँ पर मेंशन की गई है। अबाउट द कोर्स, it explains the course objective and content. Here you can also see course syllabus having module 1, module 2, module 3 and module 4. इस कोर्स पर आपको सर्टिफिकेट के लिए 80% से ऊपर स्कोर करना जरूरी है। He is our course instructor. Alex Parker. So we will enroll now. Click on enroll. Here we are enrolled and now it is welcome dashboard, general information, module details, module 1 understanding the benefits of container, understanding Kubernetes architecture, managing applications with Kubernetes, the Kubernetes ecosystem, and finally the final exam. So we will do module 1 quiz. सभी मॉड्यूल्स में आपको प्रैक्टिस क्विज भी मिलता है और मॉड्यूल के क्रेडिट क्विज भी, और एंड में आपको फाइनल एग्जाम अटेम्प्ट करना है। तो अब हम मॉड्यूल 1 के क्रेडिट क्विज को अटेम्प्ट करेंगे। These are instructions. So here question number 1. Go through the instructions. And which of the following are benefits of containers? Select all that apply. Option number 1, containers provide a standardized way to package and ship software. This is the correct option. Question 2, what is an image? A read-only file that contains the source code libraries. This is the correct answer. So click on submit. Then question 3, in this sample Docker file, what does the from instruction do? From Ubuntu 18.04. So here option number 4, it defines the base image, which in this case is Ubuntu version 18.04. Is the correct answer. Click on submit. Then question number 4, what does the docker build command do? Option 3 is correct. It uses a Docker file to create an image. Click on submit. Then question number 5, you can use the Docker copy instruction to copy files from your local machine to a container. So it is true. Click on next. You will be redirected towards module 2 and then click on course. Click on course and then module 2 graded quiz. We will attempt this module 2 graded quiz. So here are the instructions. Question number 1, which of the following statements describe what Kubernetes is? Open source software, container orchestration platform, widely available, a tool that facilitates declarative management. All of the above are correct. So click on all of the above and submit it. Question number 2, which of the following components is part of the Kubernetes control plane? etcd is the correct option. So click on this and submit it. Question 3, which of the following are Kubernetes objects? Namespaces and config maps are correct answer. So click on B and C and submit it. Then next question, which Kubernetes object represent a single instance of processes running in a container? So pod is the correct answer. Click on submit. सभी मॉड्यूल्स में आपको 5 क्वेश्चंस दिए गए हैं. So question number 5, in this sample kubectl command, what does create do? So it creates an object using the details in the nginx.yml file. This is the correct answer. Submit it. Now click on next and then courses, module 3. So click on module 3 graded quiz. We are going to attempt module 3 graded quiz. Click on that. Instructions. Question number 1, which of the following statements describe what a replica set does? Select all that apply. So option first, maintains a stable set of pods. Option 2, provides configuration, rolls out app changes, replicates a deployment. First 4 are correct, so click on all of these and submit it. Question 2, which of the following Kubernetes objects are used to run application? So select all that apply. Question 3, in this sample kubectl command, what does get deployments tell us? How many replica sets? First, second, third, fourth, all are correct. So click on all that and submit it. Question number 4, which of the following Kubernetes objects is used to store and manage sensitive information? Secrets is the correct option. So submit it. Which of the following can be used to create config maps? A file with key value pairs and a YML configuration file. These are 2 correct options. So click on that and submit it. Now we will attempt module 4 graded quiz. Click on course, then module 4 graded quiz. in order to attempt this. Then question 1, which of the following most accurately describes the relationship between Red Hat OpenShift and Kubernetes? Option 1, OpenShift packages Kubernetes with additional tooling to make developers and administrators. This is the correct answer. Which of the following are Red Hat OpenShift build trigger, webhook, and second, third, all of these are correct answers. Which of the following are possible with Istio service mesh? First, second, third are correct options. So click on submit. Question 4. Which of the following are types of operators available in Operator Hub? Click on submit. Option 5. So this is the wrong answer. I'm sorry for this. यही मेरा एक गलत हो गया था. Module 4 का 5th question. Now we will attempt final quiz. Click on final exam, then final exam. This is a timed exam, so click on I'm ready to start this timed exam. You have 1 hour and 21 questions to attempt. After this, click on yes, start this timed exam. So question number 1, what does the docker CLI build command do? Option number first, it builds an image from a docker file is correct. Click on submit. Question 2, in this sample docker file, what does the from instruction do? So option number first, it defines the base image which in this case is Alpine version 3.9 is correct answer. Click on submit. Question 3, containers include a guest operating system in every instance. False. Question number 4, in this sample docker build command, what does -t option do? So first option is correct. It gives the image the name my app and the tag v1. Click on submit. Next question, you use the docker push command to distribute an image to a registry. True. 6th question, which of the following statements describe what Kubernetes is? Select all that apply. So a container orchestration platform. Click on submit. Question 7, which of the following are container runtimes? Docker, CRIO are correct options. Click on submit. Next question, which of the following Kubernetes objects can you use to segregate a cluster by team or project? Namespaces is correct. Click on submit. Next question, which Kubernetes object provides updates to pods and replica set? Deployment. Question number 10, in this sample kubectl command, what does create do? So option number, so here it creates an object using the details in the pod.json file. Click on submit. How are replica sets often created? Question number 11, so one is automatically created for you when you create a deployment. This is correct answer. Click on submit. Question number 12, which of the following Kubernetes objects are used to run applications? Select all that apply. Config maps, service bindings, deployments are correct options. So click on submit. Next question, which of the following are used to provide config maps to pods and deployments? String literals and YML configuration files are correct options. Question number 14, what Kubernetes capabilities enable application to increase the number of pods? So option first, horizontal pod autoscaler and kubectl autoscale command are correct. Question number 15, what does the following command do? Option first, retrieves the secrets in the default namespace is correct. Click on submit. Question 16. What is the STO service mesh used for? So it controls the flow of traffic between services, and secondly, secure communication between services and observe and monitor services. Click on submit. Question number 17. Kubernetes is the sole project hosted by the CNCF. This is false. Click on submit. Question 18. OpenShift can be run in which of the following environments? Select all that apply. So private cloud and on-premise are two correct options. You can click either of them. So click on private cloud. Click on submit then. Question 19. What is the open source upstream version of OpenShift called? OKD is the correct option. Click on submit. Next question. Which of the following build strategies injects the application? So source to image is the correct answer. Click on submit. Last question. Image streams contain complete image data. This is false. Click on submit. So now click on end my exam. Then yes, submit my timed exam. Click on this, and after this you can check your progress. Click on progress. Here your progress is available and your certificate is too available. Click on view certificate. और ये आपका सर्टिफिकेट कॉग्निटिव क्लास का IBM कोर्स के का. So here is your certificate. Introduction to Containers, Kubernetes and OpenShift. Also click on course, then click on certificate and badges. In order to claim your badge, click on badge. Here is your badge. Containers, Kubernetes, Essentials. Claim your badge. So thank you from my side. Stay connected with us. Thank you.